In the following video, we are going to help you understand when your movers will arrive and the arrival time window that comes standard with our moving services. Due to the nature of delivering relocation services, we schedule a 1 to 2 hour window for our time of arrival. Unforeseen issues and delays can arise while moving homes and offices. Oftentimes, these hiccups or delays are out of anyone's control, especially during peak season. Our teams go above and beyond to help all of our clients get through the hardship of moving, even when things do not go as hoped. Rest assured that we will provide the best service possible regardless of your circumstance. We also take every measure to ensure that we keep our commitments to arrive on time to all of our clients. Please be aware that in doing so, delays and, in rare cases, rescheduling can happen. Please plan ahead for this possibility. We strive to provide the most absolute prompt service, but should a significant issue arise that will affect your services, we will contact you immediately. Additionally, please make proper contingency plans in case your own move encounters hang-ups or takes longer than expected.
To learn more, visit collegedudeshelpyoumove.com or give us a call. 704-266-1393. 704-266-1393. We look forward to helping make your move stress-free.